Hello and welcome to English Listening for Learners. Here, you can listen to simple English stories for beginners. These stories will help you improve your listening, vocabulary, and speaking. Relax, listen, and enjoy the story. Turn on captions if you want to read along. Let's begin. Emma wakes up in the morning. She opens her eyes slowly. She feels hungry. Emma gets out of bed. She walks to the kitchen. She opens the fridge. She looks inside. There is no milk. There is no bread. There are no apples. Emma looks at the empty fridge. She sighs. "I need to go shopping," she says. Emma goes back to her room. She gets dressed. She puts on a green shirt. She puts on black pants. She puts on white shoes. Emma takes her bag. She checks for her wallet. It is in her bag. She is ready now. Emma opens the door. She steps outside. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. The weather is nice. Emma walks down the street. She sees cars on the road. She sees people on the sidewalk. She sees a man with a dog. Soon, Emma gets to the grocery store. It is big and clean. She walks inside. She takes a basket. Emma goes to the fruit section first. She sees red apples. She sees yellow bananas. She sees oranges too. Emma picks up some apples. She puts them in her basket. Then she takes some bananas. Next, Emma goes to the bread section. She smells fresh bread. It smells very good. She smiles. Emma takes one loaf of bread. She puts it in her basket carefully. Then Emma goes to the milk section. She opens the cold door. She takes one bottle of milk. Now her basket is getting heavy. Emma walks to the snack aisle. She looks at the cookies. She looks at the chips. She wants a little treat. Emma picks a small box of cookies. She puts it in her basket. She feels happy. Now Emma has apples, bananas, bread, milk, and cookies. She is ready to pay. Emma walks to the cashier. The cashier smiles and says, "Hello." Emma smiles and says, "Hello." The cashier scans the food. Beep, beep, beep. Emma takes out her wallet. She pays for the food. Then the cashier gives her the bag. "Thank you," Emma says. "Have a nice day," says the cashier. Emma leaves the store. She walks home with her bag. The bag is a little heavy, but Emma feels good. She gets home at last. She puts the food on the kitchen table. She puts the milk in the fridge. She puts the bread on the shelf. She puts the apples and bananas in a bowl. Then Emma takes one apple. She washes it. She takes a bite. It is sweet and fresh. Emma smiles. "Shopping is good," she says. Now she has food at home. She feels happy and ready for the day. Thank you for listening. Did you understand the story? Write your favorite food in the comments. Please subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video.